Hey, my name is Mark Rice and I love to create simple things. My animations are simple, my drawings are simple, and last week I created a simple animation. The drawing process for this animation was a beautiful experience and I want to share that with you, so enjoy. Hit L on the keyboard, hold Shift and draw a circle. I will create a black shape, so the circle will be black. And now I will create a big circle with this small circle. Pick up the rotate tool, okay, hold Alt and click here, for example. Okay, type here 10 or 15 and hit the copy button. You can repeat this process with Ctrl+D command. And create a circle. Okay, cool. Select these shapes, go here, hit the white, and then unite. Okay, now I have the body of the ship. Now I will draw the head, so first I will create the rectangle, something like that. Copy the shape, change the size a bit. And I will use the red color for it. Okay, cool. Now I will create the eyes. Just draw the circle. It will be white. Copy it. Okay, cool. Select these shapes. Copy it, and that's it. Group the shapes, and I have the eyes. Okay, it's very simple. And I need a semicircle for the mouth. And it will be white as well. Cool. Okay, now ears. Draw the rectangle. Okay, something like this. Make these corners round. Copy the shape, hold Shift and rotate it by 19 degrees. And move it here. Okay, cool. Send to back. And that's it. Okay, cool. I can change the size a bit. Move it here. And now you can play with the shadows. So here I will copy the red shape and create a shadow. I can do that with the head. And maybe with the ears as well. And do that with the body as well. Oh, I like it. Here I can add a few circles. And create a texture with these shapes. Something like this. You can change the size and try to achieve better dynamic if you want, but for now and this purpose it's totally fine. Okay, cool. Now legs. I will create the rectangle for the leg and copy it. Move it here. So now I have the front legs. And I will copy these shapes for the back legs. Okay. Okay, so the shape is finished. Oops, sorry. Group the shapes. And here I can add one beautiful detail. Okay, select this corner here, hold Shift and select this corner as well. And make these corners round. Okay, rotate it and move it here. Okay. Rotate it one more time. Use dark green for it. Okay, cool, and now our happy ship is eating. Maybe I can add one more rounded rectangle here on the front leaf. Rotate it by 45 degrees. Change the size. I love to improve the things, so I will improve it. Okay. Opa. Copy it. Group it and change color a bit. Let me see, it's perfect. Group these shapes, and now we can make the background. So first I need a ground. I will draw the circle. Select the shape, hold Alt, start to move, then hold Shift. Okay, and repeat this action with Ctrl+D. Okay, create one rectangle here and unite the shapes. Okay, cool. Now I can copy the shapes, make it darker a bit, and repeat that process a few times more. Okay. Okay, something like this. Okay, cool. So the ground is finished, and now I can create a background. So for that I need one square. Okay. Make this corner round. Then rotate it by 45 degrees, send to back. Okay, change the size. Copy the shape. And now you can play. And I need a circle for the sun. Okay, that's it. I hope that you liked the video. If you want to learn how to animate this cute ship, check out the link below. And stay tuned, because for the next video I plan to create animation tutorial. And I know that you will enjoy. So stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Oh yeah. Peace.